Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Figma Autoname plugin and showcase some exciting updates that I've contributed to. AI and computer vision technologies. Advancing rapidly though, the design ecosystem is yet to fully integrate these cutting-edge features into our daily designer workflows due to many reasons. This is precisely why the concept behind the Autoname plugin caught my attention. The purpose of this plugin is to automatically rename elements in Figma using TensorFlow's image classification API. This helps prevent confusion for engineers who receive lengthy node names on Figma like Group 111 or Frame 222. Isn't it good, right? No more dealing with those messy numbers. Here's a quick overview of the pipeline, and I decided to contribute this open source by adding two new features to enhance this simple yet powerful workflow. One is the ability to replace the AI model with a custom-trained model based on each company's design system. And second is the ability to export data to Google Sheets. With these updates, designers can automatically rename layers or groups using familiar names from their design systems. On the other hand, design system teams can automate their user researches. As you all know, managing design systems often involves detaching components for specific use cases, which can be challenging. Unfortunately, Figma's detached analytics have been limited, leaving designers in the dark about the reasons and methods behind component detachment. That's why I believe this plugin can also serve as a background research tool to alleviate the burden on design system managers. Now let me demo my prototype. I'll use the AI to rename layers with these complicated numerical names. In the settings page, we can see the AI model, URL, and Excel download options, and we can save our preferences. The Google Sheet integration was a bit complex, so in this version, I've initially added a feature to download the Excel file instead. When we run the plugin, the layers get neatly renamed with the terminology from the design system, and the result file is downloaded. Upon opening the file, we can find the image slices used for renaming, the predicted component names, and their corresponding probabilities. Pretty neat, isn't it? I believe this plugin will have two positive impacts on our everyday design tasks. Firstly, the external impact will be an improvement in the developer experience. Well-organized layer or group names often have a more positive impact on the developer's inspector of Figma dev mode. I believe this effort can smooth the handover process between developers and designers. Secondly, the internal impact is that we can automate user research within the design system. Instead of conducting manual interviews with designers, the design system team can leverage this automatically generated information to identify frequently detached components and plan upgrades based on specific needs. The features I showcased today will be soon accessible on the Figma plugin site. This project is fully open source and we greatly appreciate your involvement and interest. Kindly visit the website below to share your ideas. Your contribution will make a significant impact. Thank you.